Good morning, David. I just arrived at the office. It's nice to see you today.
Good morning, Sarah. I came a little early. I wanted to finish some tasks.
I see you have your coffee again. You always start your day with it.
Yes, it helps me wake up. I feel more focused after a cup.
The office looks bright today. The sunlight is really nice.
Yes, the morning light makes the place feel warm. It's a good way to start work.
Do we have a meeting this morning? I hope I'm on time.
Yes, we have a short meeting at 9. You're right on schedule.
I brought my laptop bag. I want to finish my report today.
That's great. I also have a few things to complete before lunch.
The reception area is very quiet now. It feels calm.
Yes, not many people have arrived yet. It will get busier soon.
Did you check your emails already? I have a few new ones.
Yes, I checked them earlier. Nothing urgent for now.
I need to update some documents today. It might take time.
I can help you if you need anything. Just tell me.
Thank you. That's very kind. It's good to work as a team.
Yes, teamwork makes everything easier. We do well together.
The office plants look fresh today. Someone watered them.
Yes, the receptionist takes good care of them. They make the place look nice.
I slept well last night, so I feel ready to work.
That's great. It's easier to focus when you feel rested.
Should we go to our desks now? I want to start early.
Yes, let's go. We can prepare before the meeting.
I hope today will be a productive day for both of us.
I think it will. We just need to stay organized and calm.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's get started with our tasks.
Perfect. Let's walk to the open workspace and begin.
This area is bright today. I like how clean the desks look.
Yes, everything is well organized. It helps me focus better.
I'll put my notebook on the table. I want to check my plans for the day.
Good idea. I also need to look at my schedule. I think it's a busy morning.
My computer is starting up now. It always takes a moment.
Mine too. Sometimes it's slow, but it works fine after a minute.
I need to finish my report before lunch. I hope I have enough time.
You can do it. If you stay focused, you will finish easily.
Do you have many tasks today? You look very prepared.
Yes, I have a few projects to update. I want to do them step by step.
I wrote a list of things to do. It helps me stay organized.
That's smart. I should start making lists too. They seem very useful.
The office is getting busier now. More people are arriving.
Yes, everyone is starting their day. The workspace feels alive.
I think I'll start with checking some documents. It's my easiest task.
I'll begin with emails. I want to answer them before moving on.
The air feels fresh here. I think they opened the windows earlier.
Yes, I noticed that too. It makes the room feel pleasant.
Do you want to sit near the window today? The light is nice.
Maybe later. For now, I'll stay at my usual desk. It's comfortable.
I'm glad our workspace is quiet. It helps me think clearly.
Yes, a calm environment is important. It makes work easier.
I just opened the files I need. Everything is ready.
Great. I'll start reviewing my notes now. I want to stay ahead.
This task might take a while. I'll try to stay patient.
Take your time. Good work doesn't need to be rushed.
If I finish early, I can help you with something.
That would be wonderful. Team help always feels good.
I'm starting now. Let's both do our best.
Yes, let's work hard. We will finish everything on time.
This meeting room feels quiet. I like working here because it's calm.
Yes, it's a good place to talk. We can focus without any noise.
I brought the marker with me. I want to write a few ideas on the board.
Great. I have my laptop open. I can add notes as you speak.
Let me start with the first point. It's about our new project plan.
I'm listening. Tell me everything, and I'll type it clearly.
We need to choose the main tasks. I think there are 3 important ones.
That sounds simple. We can put them in order from easiest to hardest.
I'll write the first task here. It's the main one for this week.
I see it. I'll save it in our document so we don't forget.
The second task is smaller. It should not take too much time.
True. It looks easy enough to finish quickly.
Now, the last task. It will take more effort, but we can do it.
Yes, we can work on it step by step. It will go smoothly.
Do we need to add any dates? I want everything to be clear.
Yes, let's put the deadlines. It helps us stay on track.
I'll write the dates next to each task. That way, we see the plan easily.
Perfect. It looks very neat on the board now.
Should we talk about responsibilities too? It's important to decide.
Yes, we should. I can take the first big task if you want.
Thank you. Then I can handle the smaller task. It fits my schedule.
And we can work together on the last one. It will be faster that way.
I like this plan. It feels simple and clear.
Yes, it's a good structure. We can follow it without stress.
I think we covered everything for today's meeting.
Yes, we did a good job. The project looks well organized.
Should we go back to the workspace now?
Yes, let's head out. We can start working on the tasks right away.
I'll erase the board before we leave. I want the room tidy.
Thank you. I'll close my laptop and pack it.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's continue our work outside.
Sure. We can stay productive for the rest of the day.
I'm going to pour some tea. It smells very good today.
Great. I brought my sandwich. I need a quick snack.
Do you want sugar or milk with your tea?
Just a little milk, please. I like it warm and soft.
The coffee machine looks clean today. Someone cleaned it.
Yes, it works better when it's fresh. The drinks taste good.
I think I'll take a small biscuit with my tea.
That's a good idea. I'll have one too. It's a nice break.
It's nice to relax for a few minutes. I feel refreshed.
Yes, a short break helps. We can work better after it.
I see some snacks on the counter. Do you want one?
Maybe later. I'm happy with my sandwich for now.
I'll put my cup on the table. It's safer than holding it.
Yes, that's smart. I'll do the same with my plate.
The kitchen is quiet now. Not many people are here.
That's good. We can enjoy the break without interruptions.
I like the warm lights in this area. It feels cozy.
Me too. It's nice to have a comfortable spot at work.
Should we talk about our tasks while we relax?
Sure, but just a little. We don't want to stress during the break.
I think we are on track with our project.
Yes, everything is going smoothly. It feels good.
I'll check my emails quickly. Just a few messages.
Okay, I'll finish my sandwich while you do that.
The fridge is organized. I like that.
Yes, it's easy to find things here.
I'll refill my cup with tea. It's very relaxing.
Good idea. I might have a little water too.
I enjoy these small moments at work. They help me think.
Me too. It's good to pause before the next tasks.
Shall we clean the table before we go back?
Yes, it's polite. We can leave it tidy for others.
I'll take my cup to the sink.
And I'll put the plate in the dishwasher.
The break is almost over. I feel ready to continue.
Same here. Let's go back and focus on our work.
I like how the kitchen area makes work feel better.
Yes, a small pause helps us stay productive.
I'm ready to return to my desk now.
Me too. Let's walk back together.
I'll bring my notebook with me. I may need it.
I'll carry my tablet. It's ready for the next tasks.
The day is going well so far.
Yes, we managed our work and had a nice break.
I feel more energetic after this short pause.
Me too. Now we can finish everything faster.
Let's go before it gets too late.
Yes, we have a few more things to complete today.
I'm glad we took a moment to relax together.
Me too. It makes the office feel friendly and pleasant.
Okay, ready to continue?
Absolutely. Let's get back to work.
I'll start with my report. It needs attention.
And I'll review my notes. We'll stay on track.
The kitchen break was really helpful.
Yes, I feel more focused than before.
The hallway looks calm now. Most people already left for the day.
Yes, it's quiet. I like this peaceful time after work.
I'm ready to pack my bag and go home.
Me too. I have my jacket and keys in hand.
Today went well. We finished many tasks.
Yes, the project is moving forward. I feel satisfied.
I'll check my emails quickly before leaving.
Good idea. I'll do the same. It's better to finish everything.
I like this hallway. The lights are soft and warm.
Yes, it feels relaxing. It's a good way to end the day.
I hope tomorrow will be as productive.
I think it will. We have a good plan for tomorrow.
My laptop bag feels heavier now, but it's fine.
Mine too. It's normal after a full day of work.
Shall we walk together to the elevator?
Yes, that's easier. We can talk while walking.
I enjoyed working with you today.
Me too. Teamwork makes the day go smoothly.
I need to remember to bring my documents tomorrow.
Yes, don't forget. They are important for the meeting.
The hallway windows show a beautiful sunset.
Wow, the sky looks amazing. It's a perfect end to the day.
I like how calm it is when everyone has left.
Yes, it gives time to reflect on the work we did.
I feel a little tired, but happy.
Me too. It was a productive day, and I feel good.
Should we check the bulletin board quickly?
Sure. Maybe there are new notices for tomorrow.
I think everything is organized in the office.
Yes, everything is neat. It helps start the next day fresh.
I like this quiet moment before leaving.
Me too. It's nice to walk slowly and relax.
I'll turn off my desk light before leaving.
And I'll make sure my computer is shut down.
The plants in the hallway look beautiful in the sunset.
Yes, They add color and life to the office.
I hope tomorrow will be another successful day.
I'm sure it will. We have a good routine for tomorrow.
Walking to the exit feels satisfying after a long day.
Yes, I feel ready to go home and rest.
Did we lock all the files and drawers?
Yes, I checked. Everything is safe.
I'll carry my bag carefully down the hallway.
I'll do the same. Safety's important.
The office looks so calm in this evening light.
Yes, it's very peaceful now.
I enjoyed today a lot. Thank you for helping me.
Me too. Working together makes the tasks easier.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow's work.
Yes, I hope it will be productive and smooth.
Let's walk out and enjoy the evening.
Good idea. The fresh air will feel great.
I feel proud of what we did today.
Me too. It was a good, successful day.
See you tomorrow, David. Have a nice evening.
See you, Sarah. Enjoy your evening too.
Goodbye, David.
Goodbye, Sarah.